Greetings, Leoneers! I would like to welcome you to the newest installment of the Dev Diary.
Due to a popular demand, we've added the ability to create an RFQ directly from the ops view. Creating quotes from existing trips was possible before, but now it's easier than ever. We've also extended the configuration options for our Report Wizard module. From now on, you can choose to make specific reports visible only to a certain privilege groups. And as a final touch of this Dev Diary, let me briefly show you that you can now configure a special MVT message for diverted flights.